Welcome home, friend! This stunning twin mills home just hit the market in Saginaw. This 3-year-old like-new home features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is over 1,600 square feet of living space. This one-story layout features a spacious entryway, has 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom in the front side of the home, and the 3rd bedroom is tucked away for privacy. The kitchen comes equipped with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and has a gorgeous island. The owner suite is nestled away in the back of the home and will be your true retreat. This room is large, with a comfortable bathroom and a walk-in closet. You won't ever want to leave this room. This fabulous home also boasts a dedicated laundry room. During the summer, entertain in style by the back patio or relax in the pool at your community amenity center. This home also comes equipped with a Ring doorbell so you won't ever miss any of your packages. Located close to Old Decatur Road and Bailey Boswell in the growing Eagle Mountain Saginaw ISD, this home is zoned for Lake Point Elementary School, Wayside Middle School, and Boswell High School. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin Group.